cut some soybeans. Morning guys, because it's 11:42 right now, so it's not quite the afternoon yet. We're headed to one of our farms just south of 30, there by Wanata. There's about 130 acres of beans there that we're hoping to get done between today and tomorrow. And we're going to move over to Wanata and do some custom harvesting majority of this week, starting on Tuesday. Majority of those beans are ready to go, and we're going to get those knocked out for the most part this week. All of our beans get hauled straight in, and we take all of them up to the port of Indiana, up to Burns Harbor. You're going to be seeing a lot of trucking action. I'm going to be running semi quite a bit. We're going to have a guy that's going to be working for us. It's going to be running semi here starting, I believe, next week. So that means this year's harvest videos are going to differ quite a bit compared to last year. Last year was a lot of grain carting footage with a little bit of trucking and a little bit of combine footage, whereas this year you're going to see about a third of everything. That's a spot where I replanted some, just in the corner here, and then there's a hair bit in that other corner that was replanted. But yeah, 30-inch row beans over here, 7.5 over here. Moisture's running 11.5 to 12, and not very good beans. Not very good at all. Lower than our expectations, even with the dry weather. And they're not very good. Like cutting little BBs. Brought the weigh wagon over in the black semi, and we calibrated the yield monitor, at least a mass flow sensor. So we got the active yield turned off, did the calibrations for the mass flow, and we just turned active yield on. I'm headed back to go get the other semi because we're just about got this one full. I guess the bright side is, though, the beans are doing a lot better than what the monitor was saying earlier, so that's good. But hopefully we can get this yield monitor working good and get it dialed in before we switch over to do some custom harvesting. See if I remember where to set my line. Oh, let's not hit the header. Let's just say right there. Bravo 1 going dark. Alright. Nope, nope. Well, so much for pressure washing the combine. Well, both trucks are full. There's just a hair bit left in this grain cart, and I think there's about 3-4 rounds left in this field, 3 rounds, so all of that will go on this grain cart, and we'll have this field done today. And that will be it for today. We will have 56 acres of beans knocked out, and tomorrow we'll knock out these 45 acres of 30-inch dryland beans, and there's 20 acres just on the other side of the railroad of drilled beans, and we will have this farm knocked out. We will move over to Wanata on Tuesday and do some custom work then for the rest of the week. done with this field and we're going to call quits for this evening. Thank you guys for watching as always. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. and I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.